Hey guys, welcome. So in today's topic will be background thread versus background. So this is a very basic topic, but people usually get confused between both of them. They think they both of the same topic, but no, they're little bit different, which is very important to understand the background processing in Android. So we will just start with this background thread versus background topic today in today's video. Okay, so coming on to the first thing, we first have to understand what are the threads in Android. Basically, we will not go deeper in threads. What are threads? But we will just have a basic idea in Android. So in Android, basically there are two types of threads. One is main thread or UI thread, and second is background thread or worker thread. So UI thread is basically responsible for all the UI related operations like showing the images, text, list views, and all the layouts and building all the layouts on the main thread. And basically, background thread is basically responsible for performing heavy operations like calling an API, downloading a file, or doing any kind of stuff which can't be done on the main thread, because if we are doing a lot of stuff on the main thread, then it will be blocked and user will show will be shown an error as ANR. So basically, ANR is Android not responding. So just to avoid that ANR, we will just launch a background thread and we will do all the stuff. So this is basically the basic understanding of the threads in Android. Okay. So coming back to the topic of background thread versus the background. Okay. So background is basically, if I just go in a brief way, background is basically whenever we are doing any task and the app is in not in the like running mode, then we will consider it in the background state. Okay. So let's suppose if you are just playing a music and you have killed the music app, na, and still it's playing music in the background. So we will say ki, this is a background task. Rather than discussing about the thread and all the stuff, we will just say ki the app is running in the background. Okay. So thread, as we already discussed, thread is something which we are using heavy operations on to the application, and background is basically whenever the application is not running. Okay. And second difference is ki the examples where we are using background threads are, we can use threads by normal conventional Java methods, handlers, async tasks, coroutines, RS Java. All of these are stuff of Android. We will come on to the topic one by one in the next video. But right now we're just discussing the basic difference between both of them. And in case of background, we can perform background operations in an application by using alarm manager, services, job schedulers, and work manager. All these topics we will discuss in future videos.